Hello, my name is Michael. In today's edition, I'm talking on how to operate on the interface of aggregate. Aggregate, you see, aggregate. In aggregate, we have cement, fine aggregate, coarse aggregate. First of all, I want to bring home to you a little question. Let's check on the questions. Question 7.2, example. The question says, slab of length 40 meters, width 10 meters, 0.15 height, was casted with nominal misproportion of 1:3:6. Calculate the number of bags of cement used during casting. Question number A. Calculate the number of bags of cement used during casting. Let's see the slab. Slab of 40 meters, length, width of 10 meters, that is 14,000 millimeter, 10,000 millimeter. Here on the software, you have to put your ratio of fine aggregate, ratio of coarse aggregate. If you go back to the question, you will see that the ratio of cement here is this 1, the ratio of fine aggregate is 3, the ratio of coarse aggregate is 6. You have to put the ratio in accordance. You come back to the software, ratio of cement 1, ratio of coarse and fine aggregate 3, ratio of coarse 6. And then the volume of the work you want to do, which is the length of the slab. If you check on the question again, you see that the length of the slab here is 40 meters. The width is 10 meters. You go back here to your software. The length is 40 meters. The width is 10 meters. While the height, check on the question, the height of the slab is 0.15 meters. So here you are done. But mind you that when during casting there are some percentage of waste. The waste here, default here is 0.45. You can leave it if you want. Maybe if you assume that there will be no waste when you are doing your work, you can put it to 0. Simple. But if you like, you can put it at default of 0. Me, I like putting it as default of 0.45. Just say calculate to give you the number of bags of cement. You can save if you want. Thank you. So if you want to check for the fine aggregate that will finish up the job, you can click on the fine aggregate, check your question again, the ratio 1, 3, 6. The length on the question, you can check your question, the length of the slab 14, the width is 10. See your diagram, 14, put your 10, put your height 0.15. Then you can check your percentage waste anyhow you want to check. You can change it, you can leave it like that as default. Just say calculate, it will give you the tons of fine aggregate you need to bring. The same thing here, check your coarse, put your ratio 1, 3, 6, your length 14 meters, your width 10 meters, your height 0.15. You can change here, if you wish, or you leave it. Since you have leave it, since you didn't change it on the cement ratio, you have to leave it up. So after all these things now, the next is to click on calculate and get the tons of coarse aggregate. You can follow us on our Facebook page at MQsofts. MQSOFTS. Thank you.